piece at the bottom and the piece at the top that'll hold it. You know? So, what we got here is Michael making our door casing.
Door jam, door casing. You guys should speak louder. Door jam, door casing, whatever you want to call it. We basically made it out of 1x hemlock that we milled just the other day, so it's still green. And then just an old piece of whatever this is that we had laying around. The special thing about it is it's more than an inch thick. So our floorboards are 1 inch thick. So this has to be more than, the threshold has to be more than 1 inch thick. So that when the door sits on the threshold, it sits flush. But when it swings over the door, the flooring, it doesn't scratch up and scrape the flooring. So that's the only thing special about this piece. So we've got a bunch of siding up. This is the front of our house. And the boards you just saw us mill and put up, these are them. As you can see, as you saw, we had a little bit of help from Chicoy's folks. Thanks guys, we really always appreciate the help. We love having you guys here. And also a big shout out to Larry, whose trees and mill this stuff came from. We've had a great, awesome arrangement with Larry for the past, I'd say 2 years or so. We mill a bunch of lumber and he keeps half, because he doesn't have time to do it. So this is awesome. We just built the door casing, so that allowed us to get the rest of this trim board right here up, and this one up. This one was already up, so that one wasn't going to move. And so we allowed us to get the rest of the siding up. Well, not the rest, but what we have right now. We still got a bunch of boards, some right there. These ones oiled, drying. So we're going to try to clap those up above the trim boards. It's going to be a lot of funky cutting. But I'd say after maybe 3 more runs, it'll be done on this side. So then I'd like to move on to this side next. But I've got to build another door casing for the other door. So that'll probably get done in the next week or so. Alternatively, I could move on to this side, which doesn't have any door casing. And it already has all the window trim boards along the windows. So I could do that too. But I guess we'll see what happens. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.